In this video, I'm going to show how to get rid of the code from the previous week's message, sermon, and if by chance you happen to delete that box, how to get it back. So we're going to first of all go into the live stream after we're logged in. So in order to get into the page builder section, we click on Beaver Builder, and I think you already know that. But so the HTML box is here, which you know, and if for some reason I haven't deleted the code from the last one, all you do is you open that box and you delete any code that's in here. There could be the iframe code from the previous week. If for some reason I forgot to delete that, just delete that and then save, and this will be ready to add it for the next week. If for some reason this box gets deleted, this is called an HTML module. So if for some reason that whole thing gets deleted, like happened at one time by accident, what you do is you go over here into this plus sign, click on the plus sign, go over to video right here, just grab that and pull that right into this section. And what you're going to do is you're going to have a choice here between adding from the media library or to embed the code. You're going to select on embed the code, and this gets you that video module back. You just put the code in here from the video, which is what you do anyway, so that I won't go through that. But that's how that's done. So I'm just going to save that, and now that's back in place again. So if for some reason you delete it, just go up here and you can get that back real easy. And what I'm going to do next, I'm going to get out of here, and we're going to go to, I'm going to show you how to add a sermon to the archive library. So I'm just going to open up that page. And once this opens up here, we're going to go into, again, the page builder right here. And we're going to open this module here. This opens up the module, and you have all the videos which are currently on here. So then what you're going to do is you're going to go back to the actual YouTube video from the sermon. You're going to go into share, click on share, and you're just going to grab this code right here. You're just going to click on copy. It's copied now. You're just going to come back here to this module again. And what you want to do here is, what I do is I duplicate this icon here, duplicates the one from the previous week, and you see now we have two of them. So now you're just going to here and change the information, change the date, the information on the pastor and sermon, and then you just paste that link back into here. What I also typically do is I go into the video itself, and I get the time when the sermon actually when the worship starts. So I go into here. I click right about here, and you're going to have the countdown. So what you're going to do is, I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but you get to right before the worship starts, and you find the time here. In this case, it's 5 minutes 23 seconds into the video, and that's when the worship starts. So you want to convert 5 minutes and 23 seconds into seconds, and then take the amount of seconds, and you want to put that in here for the start time, and then the video will start right when the worship starts. So that's all there is to that. That's fairly straightforward. Click on save. I don't actually want to save this because I don't want to have two of these here. Well, so if you did put in all the information, What I also do is I go down here to the bottom. I always keep 27 of these videos active. And then the 28th, I just click on delete, and that will delete the 28th. For the purposes of this training video, I'm just going to delete this one here because it's a duplicate. And I just want to get rid of that. So then it asks me, it still won't get rid of it once you click on the X. It comes up here and says basically, are you sure? And you say yes, and then that video is gone. Then just click on save. I'm not going to save any of this. I'm just going to cancel. Then you click on done and update. And everything is updated. So hopefully that gives you all the information you need. And that should be it.